Let's say that I'm a developer that is working on a code base that I simply know it is a mess, but I have no idea how to get out of it, how to get started. Maybe the tests are in that situation that we are just discussing now. And the easiest solution is to find another job. What would you say is another alternative? What would you advise me?
That's a good question. I think the main thing is to think about why are you in the tar pit? Why is it so hard to ship small changes? Why is it that you tweak small things in your application and seven different things break? Why is it so hard to find root causes for bugs? And that ideally will tell you, okay, there are a bunch of things that are wrong with your code base. I wouldn't recommend that you take like 3 months to pay off all the technical debt. I don't think that's a good approach to say, yeah, I'm going to take 3 months to fix all the technical debt and then everything's going to be fine, because it's basically a habit that you need to build in your team. And sometimes you do need, all the time, you need management approval to say every week or every sprint, we're going to dedicate 10, 20% of the sprint to paying off some of the technical debt. If management in your company is not open to something like that, to gradually pay off 20 minutes, an hour of technical debt in every sprint, I think then, yeah, maybe you do need to find another job, or you need to continue to try to communicate why it's important to pay off technical debt, because we write Ruby code and we understand that programmer happiness is very important. And Ruby gives us great tools to write code that makes us happy.